you don't know, King George V is the father of Queen Elizabeth II, and this one, King George V, is the brother of King George VI. Hello everyone, we have another unboxing to do, so we'll open it up. So it's just a quick one because it's just one. There we go. Here we go. Just a quick one. We have this lovely coins. Oh, as you can see. Wow. Awesome, eh? 3 lovely coins that are made as pendants. You can see this one. This one is King George V. It's a halfpenny from 1919, and it is from Australia. I think it's gold plated, but it was faded already. I think you can see the color. It's been removed. 1919 halfpenny. It's a nice pendant. Nice pendant. And this one is a very nice gold plated one as well. Australia, 1960, 1 penny. It's Queen Elizabeth. You can see, very nice, eh? And this one is King George V, Australia, 1941 penny. And if you don't know, King George V is the father of Queen Elizabeth II, and this one, King George V, is the brother of King George VI. So here we go. That's what we have for today. It's 3 lovely coins that were made as a pendant. So very nice. Just got it for a few dollars, so it's good. So please do like and subscribe on my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.